Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will be showing you guys how I got this look, and I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and share and like, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks, bye. Starting off, I am going over her face with rose water, and as you can see, my oga has shown me where I missed, and I am just going to let that dry up on her skin because it just gives the skin a really nice, I don't know, finishing, I should say. And I'm going over it with my moisturizer. I think I am using a simple moisturizer, simple product, and then I'm using a fan to let that dry in because Jesus, I tried to use the brush and it was just frustrating me, so I had to use my hand, and a little bit vicious too, but well, you know. I think people use a lot of products on the face when they are skin prepping, but however, I prefer to use rose water because rose water does so much. I think rose water, I would say rose water does a lot of, or all of what other skin prep products do. Rose water does it for me. This is just my opinion, so I prefer to use rose water and moisturizer. It works perfectly for me. So I'm just going over her face with foundation that is her shade, and then I'm going to blend that in and make sure it blends properly on her skin. Also, I think I should add that I am not a fan of this whole process of foundation first before eyeshadow and brows and all that. It never works for me, so this is like my first time of doing it on anybody, so I'm just trying this out to see how the makeup comes out, and I hope it comes out nice. But I think it came out nice, so yeah, I'm just going to try that out and see, because normally I would rather just do the eyebrow and the whole eyeshadow before I go for foundation. It works that way for me, but I guess everybody does what they do for them, what works for them, but I'm just trying this out to see how it goes. Next, I am going in with my concealers. I am using concealer from LA Girl Pro and Adventure concealers, and I think I really did use a lot of concealers. Like, it was a lot, so I had to like really blend it into her skin to fit her skin tone. These are like drugstore concealers, and they work real well. Like, if you blend them together, they really work. And I was going to use what's it called? I was going to use Forever concealer, but Forever concealer is actually really nice, but it dries really fast. So if you were going to recreate this look or do anything, I guess if you were looking for a drugstore product to use, this would be good for you. So yeah. Do you guys see what I mean by I used a lot of concealers? Because please tell me why I'm still adding more concealer to her face. I mean, look at this. Like, I had so much concealer to waste that I kept going. I mean, look at this. So next, I am just blending the concealer into her skin to make sure it blends properly, and we don't have anything dripping, so we're just gonna blend and blend. See, honey, let me tell you guys, this part I'm doing, I detest it. Remember when I said I don't like this whole foundation before the eye makeup thing? I don't like this part at all, but I think I did good because Jesus, I don't know. It's just, I don't know. Maybe it's just a confidence thing, because I think the look came out nice, but I don't know. It just felt it's just I don't know. I just get very scared when I watch makeup videos and I see people um use blush and contour whatever on the cheek without I don't know, it's just very weird for me. I don't even know how to explain it. It's very scary. I don't know, when I get to this point I always feel like god, I'm going to mess it up, but I really think that this look came out nice, so yay. Gang gang. Now the eyebrows. You guys don't know how fear grips me every time I see people with what's it called? People who do the whole foundation setup thing before eyebrow and eye makeup. I don't know. It just makes me so scared. And let me tell you, my heart was beating. My heart was beating so terribly in this during this part. But again, it came out nice, I think. So yeah, I would say I will do this. I will do this process again. I think it's because I told her about my fear. I think that's why. I think that's why she actually laughed, because Jesus, I dey fear. This thing scares me so much, and I don't know why. Because I think it really turned out nice. But well, it is what it is. So I'm about done with the eyebrow, and so far so good. I would rather pick to do my eyebrow first and then the eyeshadow next before anything any day, but this works too, I suppose. So yeah. Next, I am setting her eyelid to go in with my eyeshadow, and so I'm just going to do that. And I hope you guys learn from this. I think the eye turned out nice. I was a little bit scared too, but it turned out nice. And see where I got, see where I went to go and gawk. But anyway, still turned out nice, I think. So yeah, enjoy. So after setting her eye, I went in with my Juvia's Place palette. I'm not sure I remember the name now, but Juvia's Place anyway. And then I went in with a brown shade, and then it was turning out to look like burgundy, but I think it turned out brownish in the end because the intention was brown. But anyway, so far so good. It turned out so good. And then after that, I went in with my pigment. I think the pigment is from MK. So I went in with my pigment, and then I just played around with it in the middle a little bit. Just a few touches here and there, and it turned out real nice, I think. Anyway, just drop your opinion in the comment section. So next time I'm using a powder brush to blend her face. Just blend it all in and make it, attractive. So anyway, don't mind me. I'm just blending all over her face with a powder brush, and then next I went in to use a powder palette. My powder palette is from Tara. Yeah. I'm sorry I'm not showing you guys this product I'm using camera, because I don't necessarily believe that you have to have a particular product to get a particular look. I think it is in your skill and basically your skill, because I feel like as much as I think that there are some products that will not give you what you want, there are some products that will actually work and are affordable. So I don't know, it's just my thing. I just don't believe in showing products, because I feel like showing products to people in when you're doing a shoot is very limiting, because people will feel like, okay, if I don't have this product, I can't get this look, or I can't get this look like this. But basically it's all in your skill. So yeah, I'm going in with I've forgotten, Mirac. I think Mirac, is it Mirac they call them? I don't know. Some Nigerian eyeliner. I'm just lining her waterline, and yeah. Lip stain, let me give you guys the gist behind this lip stain. I saw this lip stain on someone's makeup page. She did a look similar to this is what inspired this look actually, and I saw it and I just instantly went crazy because of the color. The color is so beautiful, and it's from Adventure. It is like the most beautiful thing, and it is the most affordable. It is 1,000. I got it well before the whole price hike and everything. I got it 1,000. So I suppose between then and now, maybe at most it will be between 1,500 and 2,000. I saw the lip stain and I couldn't let it go. I made sure to buy it. So anyway, it's brown, and anyway, I'm just lining her lip and coloring the shit up. So blushing, and then using my beauty blender to set the blush into her skin, as you can see in the video, and making sure that everything sits just right. I think I missed the clip of where I used the bronzer for her. But anyway, I use bronzer from what are these guys called? Oh yeah, here you go. You clip his hair. Anyway, as you can see, this my model is very ahumbaza. She could not stay at a place. She had to start recording. Like she had to start taking pictures before I was even done. But anyway, so far so good. I really do think that the look came out nice because I was really scared because of the whole foundation first thing. I think it came out nice. So I'm just making sure to blend the bronzer and the blush into her skin to make it set right and covering up wherever else that needs, finishing touch. So, yeah. Again, with her phone and her camera. Oh well, what can I say? And oh, the finished look. I do love it. I 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 think it turned out nice. If you do like this look, please give my video a thumbs up. Please share my video and give my video a thumbs up. Subscribe. I think you guys, please just look at the lip. Look at the lip color I was telling you guys of. It is so nice. It is absolutely beautiful. Anyway, if you like this look, give this video a thumbs up again. I know I repeated it 1,000,001 times, but if you like this look, give this video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, and thank you for being here. And I see you in my next one. Okay.